My boyfriend attempted to see another woman behind my back. I'm happy about it. My boyfriend, M47, got extremely drunk tonight while I F26 am spending the night at my parents'. He sent me messages on accident that read meet me with your bathing suit at 10. No GF tomorrow. He then apologized and said they were for his ex-girlfriend. However, I've been waiting for him to mess up in a huge way for a long time simply because I no longer want to date him. I've still kept up effort in our relationship, and this time, date nights, we're intimate at least once a day, writing him love notes and taking interest in a few of his hobbies. I was hoping for the relationship to change. No dice. I'm finally going to move on and build a better life for my kiddos and I just feel like my reaction to the situation is not normal.